Hello, I'm Deepak, working as a product manager at Office Solution. Today I'm showcasing tree bar chart. So here we have two kind of functionalities. One is for user and another one is for developer. For developer, as you can see that we have value field X, value field Y, group field, width field and tooltip. Value field is X is for X-axis values, value field Y is for Y-axis value, and then the group field is for grouping the objects, and then we have a width field which is on basis of which you can define the width of the bar by any values. Let me show you. So as you can see that the width is changed now. Similarly, we have a tooltip. Suppose we want to add anything on our tooltip part, we can simply drag it on the tooltip, and as you can see that it's been added. Now we have some filter options. Here we have a numerical value formatter. As you can see that we have auto, M for thousands, MM for millions, B for billion and T for trillion. And if you do not want to select anything to show the similar values, it's none. Similarly, we have bar text alignment. You can select the alignment of the text where you want to show the text. Then we have sorting options, which is ascending and descending. Then we have axis labels. You can define your axis labels. As you can see, we have changed it. Then we have bar settings. In that you can change the opacity of the bar by providing the values. Then we have legend. You can turn on and off the legend part. So for user settings, we have this options: trend line, flip axis, adjust numerical axis, then reference value, reference line, and then sorting. So suppose let me draw the trend line first. You can see the trend line has been drawn. Now we have adjust numerical axis. You can adjust the numerical value of the axis. As you can see that our y-axis is getting changed. Similarly, you can go to the negative sides also. Similarly, we have reference values. You can see that on 2 million it's getting drawn. Then we have sorting, ascending and descending. You can see that the sort order has been changed. Now let me make it descending. Now we have option for flipping the axis. You can see that our axis is flipped now.